AI just outcoded the best humans on the planet. Gemini solved a problem no team could, and new tools are dropping left and right, from $60 million AI code reviewers to open-source challengers from China. The AI race is heating up. OpenAI's GPT-5 and Google's Gemini 2.5 DeepThink stunned the 2025 ICPC World Finals by solving complex coding challenges beyond many human teams. GPT-5 achieved a perfect 12 out of 12 score, while Gemini solved 10 problems, including one no humans cracked, proving LLMs can now match and even surpass top student coders in high-level competitions. Enterprise startup CodeRabbit raised $60 million to tackle a growing challenge. AI agents generate code faster than humans can review, creating a new bottleneck that risks technical debt. Its AI-driven review platform uses reasoning models and full repository context to catch issues traditional tools miss, positioning it as critical infrastructure for enterprises adopting AI development. Chinese AI models once lagged behind US labs, but that changed with the release of DeepSeek and, more recently, Alibaba's Tongyi DeepResearch agent. This open-source agent delivers performance on par with OpenAI's DeepResearch despite being just 30B parameters, far smaller than many rivals. Benchmarks show it beating or matching larger, closed models in legal research, browsing, and long-form reasoning tasks. With free access under Apache 2, it's already powering real-world tools and signaling a new era for open-source AI agents. AI is shifting from bigger is better to smaller, specialized models that run locally on devices, giving enterprises more control, lower costs, and stronger privacy. Meta's new MobileLLM R1 shows how sub-billion parameter models can deliver advanced reasoning on phones and PCs, though its non-commercial license limits business use. Competitors like Google's Gemma 3 and Alibaba's Qwen 3.0.6b offer efficient, commercially viable alternatives, while NVIDIA and Liquid AI push new features like controllable reasoning and multimodality. This move toward fleets of small, specialized models mirrors the microservices shift in software, offering enterprises speed, predictability, and sustainability without relying solely on giant cloud models. Google now lets users easily share their custom Gemini Gems, AI assistants for tasks like writing, coding, or planning with others, similar to sharing a Google Drive file, making them more accessible and reducing duplicated efforts. Mistral has launched Magistral Small 1.2 and Magistral Medium 1.2, updates that combine two key AI trends: smaller, locally deployable models and reasoning-focused LLMs. Both upgrades bring benchmark gains, improved reasoning, and multimodal abilities with a new vision encoder for image analysis. The small model can even run on consumer hardware like an RTX 4090 or MacBook, while medium model delivers enterprise-level performance. Available open source under Apache 2, these models balance accessibility, cost efficiency, and high-end capabilities for developers and enterprises alike. Researchers from CUST, Minimax, and the University of Waterloo have introduced WebExplorer, a new framework for building smarter, long-horizon web agents. Instead of relying on expensive manual data labeling, it automatically generates challenging training data that pushes models to develop stronger reasoning and search skills. Using this approach, the team trained WebExplorer 8B, which outperforms much larger models on key benchmarks like BrowseComp and GAIA. This method offers enterprises a practical path to create efficient, custom web agents for research, analysis, and automation. OpenAI has launched GPT-5-Codex, a new version of GPT-5 fine-tuned for software engineering tasks, becoming the default engine for cloud coding and code review. Integrated across terminals, IDEs, GitHub, Web, and ChatGPT, it allows developers to run complex tasks autonomously for hours while maintaining context across environments. unlike general-purpose GPT-5, Codex is optimized for agentic coding, handling debugging, refactoring, and code review with adaptive reasoning. The update also brings a rebuilt CLI, IDE extensions, cloud enhancements, and automated pull request reviews, helping developers streamline workflows. OpenAI positions Codex as a collaborative AI teammate, complementing tools like GitHub Copilot while providing deeper task autonomy and integration. AI agents are getting closer to handling real-world transactions, but until now, they've stopped short of actually completing purchases without human clicks. Google and more than 60 major partners just launched the Open Source Agents Payments Protocol, AP2, to change that, aiming to make AI-driven payments secure, traceable, and seamless. The protocol sets standards for authorization, authenticity, and accountability, ensuring merchants know an agent is truly acting on a user's intent. While AP2 isn't yet live in consumer-facing products, it gives developers a foundation to build trusted agentic commerce, whether that's booking a trip, buying clothes, or triggering a purchase when prices drop. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. See you next time.